Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Next Generation People. Guys, today's we are going to discuss on the topic that how to deposit money in Wajirex app. It's a very easy and simple way to deposit in the Wajirex app. So please watch this video till the end, otherwise you will skip the step. So without wasting your times, we are going to start the video now. First of all, you people have to download the Wajirex app. If you have not downloaded the app, so please click on the below link and download the app. After that, registers on your email IDs and other formalities related to the open the account. Once when you create your accounts, bank details and other information correctly, then you can easily deposit and withdraw the amount from the Wajirex. Guys, after that you have to open the app and go to the funds and the INR. When you click on the INR, you find that the next page showing in front of you, like as you are showing in the display. You found that there is a deposit three methods in Wajirex. Number one is net banking, number two is a wallet, and number three in P2P. So let's discuss firstly about the net banking. How can we deposit through the net banking in Wajirex? We will show you. Click on the net banking. Once you click on the net banking, you show that registered accounts already will come on these locations, and only you should have to enter the amount whichever you wants to deposit in the Wajirex. Then do it continue and continue follow the process. Finally, the amount will be credited in your wallet. Third is wallet transfer. In a wallet transfer, MobiKwik used as a wallet transfer in a Wajirex. So you need to download the MobiKwik app firstly, and then register your mobile number and UPI details in the MobiKwik. Then easily you can transfer the money through the MobiKwik in the Wajirex. So it's depend on you there how much amount you wants to deposit in MobiKwik. Then click on the MobiKwik button, and as you click on the MobiKwik button, you see the next step as showing in the display. Once you confirm the mobile OTP, then it's ask you the again OTP is called a net banking OTP. Then you also need to confirm the second OTP in the app. As you clear the OTP, the amount will be success. It's very easy, guys. Just need to be a patience. In a third step, talk to you Wajirex P2P. Wajirex P2P is one of the trusted payment methods in Wajirex. So some people says that MobiKwik is not transferring the proper money, so you can use the P2P. P2P is using the P2P is very easy. Click on the P2P, you see that there is three options showing in the front display. First is USDT price, second is USDT value, third is converted USDT in INR. The most important fact, before depositing the amount in Wajirex, you have need to create a buyer ID because it's necessary to you and also necessary to the Wajirex. For example, I am showing that you can also create your buyer ID like this. When you click on the make your buyer ID, then you can click on the next step by using the amount. Here is one of the most remembering point is that suppose that you are depositing the amount the first time, then you can use 16 USDT. You can't use more than 16 USDT or less than 16 USDT. It's an important point in Wajirex. It's a rule for through by creating the Wajirex. Suppose that I am a first user, then I use the 16 USDT and click on the buy button. As I click on the buy button, I see the warnings in the as showing in the display. So as I already told you regarding the warning. So next proceed. Now we are depositing a 20 USDT. So I pause this video and back this video, and before doing a delay, we are going to deposit in a 20 USDT through the P2P WazirX method. Read the every instruction step by step very carefully, because suppose that you have missed any point, then you can lose your USDT. I entered USDT 20 and I already create my buyer ID, and now I click on the buy button. As I click on the buy button, then you see the next step what is coming. Here I need to copy the UPI ID, AVP ID, and click on the transfer button. When I click on the transfer button, then I found this type. Remember that don't do yes if you do not want to buy the USDT right time, because once you do yes you have to buy it, otherwise you have to pay a fine 20 USDT or 2.4% charges you have to bear, otherwise your deposit and withdraw can be affected. So remember this point, it's a most important point in here. And finally I need to buy, so I will use yes I paid. When I click on the yes I paid, the payment will go to the next step. Here is showing, it show you the seller message, don't be panic. It's search the match pair as per my recommended price. Once it's match, the buyer order will be completed. So these are the steps to deposit the amount in WazirX, and these are the especially easy methods. Now suppose that you have to withdraw in INR values, then how can you change the USDT in ISDT, USDT in INR, like this. Click on search bar and type here USDT, and the USDT will be find easily here, and then click on the buy button or sell button. When you click on the buy or sell button, directly enter the value, and you are showing in the display that suppose that the value is 50 USDT, the INR value in you showing there 3868. So like as this value will come on this way, and you can increase or decrease the value as per. Suppose that you have not as 50 USDT, so you can enter here 20 USDT or 10 USDT as per your recommendations you want to change. So once you click on the sell button, the value will be changed in INR, and now you can deposit your INR value in your real account in a very easy. So these are the information related to the USDT and to INR and deposit problem related issues. I hope that I resolve your queries as per your requirement. So if you find the video is suitable, so please subscribe, like and share and motivate to us to create a such videos. And you have any doubts, so please comment on the below. And you want to buy or sell as per your own risk, you can click on the link and download the app and enjoy.